Hey there, smart retirees! Ever wondered about the ideal time to claim your Social Security benefits? Today, we're diving into the big debate: to claim at 62 or wait? By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make a well-informed decision. If you're new here, remember to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's jump in. First, let's decode some Social Security essentials. Using our fictitious couple, Mike and Debbie, as an example, Mike's full retirement monthly benefit is $2,500. Debbie, his wife, will get the spousal benefit, about 50% of Mike's equating to about $1,250. In this scenario, we're also accounting for a 3% cost of living adjustment annually. Everyone has a personal crossover point. That age when the total benefits claimed early equals the sum of benefits if you had waited. For Mike and Debbie, this crossover happens around age 78 to 82. Surprising, right? Most people mistakenly think it's way later. However, let's address the elephant in the room: life expectancy. Forget about the national average, because if you're in your 60s and healthy, your life expectancy is different. For a 65-year-old woman, it's around 87, and for a man, it's 86. With advancements in medicine and technology, many of us are living longer, with the 85 and older age bracket growing rapidly in the US. Now, consider two paths: Mike and Debbie claiming their benefits at 62 versus waiting till 70. While the payments at 62 are smaller, they accumulate over a more extended period. By the time Mike and Debbie reach 70, they would have gathered a whopping $250,000 to $260,000 if they started at 62. However, if they wait till 70, each subsequent payout is more substantial, surpassing the early claim amount by around 78, 82 years of age. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but I have some considerations that might tip the scales. So, let's look at 5 reasons why you might want to jump in at 62 and take your Social Security. After we give you those reasons, we'll provide you with another 5 reasons why you might want to wait. Number 1. Economic uncertainty. Economic downturns or uncertainties in the financial markets might make it appealing to have a guaranteed income source like Social Security. If you've experienced recent financial setbacks or are wary of potential market declines, claiming early can provide a consistent income stream, ensuring peace of mind during tumultuous times. Number 2 is to preserve investments. Claiming early can help protect your retirement savings, allowing them to grow. Claiming benefits early can also be a strategy to allow your personal retirement investments, like IRAs or your 401k, more time to grow. With the power of compound interest, those extra years can significantly increase your total savings. Think of it this way: by accessing Social Security earlier, you're essentially reducing the withdrawals from your personal investments, giving them an opportunity to flourish. Number 3. Guaranteed income. If you have a steady income source, like a pension or annuity, then early benefits might just be an added bonus. Many retirees find comfort in having multiple streams of steady income. Pensions or annuities are excellent, but adding Social Security to the mix can ensure even more financial stability. Especially in a volatile market, the predictability of Social Security can be a significant relief. This combination can ensure that basic needs are always met, allowing other investments to be used for leisure or unexpected expenses. Number 4. Health factors. If health issues make a longer life expectancy doubtful, early benefits might be advantageous. It's an unfortunate reality, but health can be a determining factor. If you're faced with an illness or a condition that might decrease your life expectancy, claiming earlier ensures you maximize the benefits you've worked hard to earn. While it's essential to consult with family and consider all factors, prioritizing immediate quality of life might outweigh potential future gains. Number 5. Switch to spousal benefits. If your benefit is less than your spouse's, you might claim early and later switch to a spousal benefit. This strategy can be a bit of a dance. Say you have your own benefits, but they're significantly lower than your spouse's. Claiming early allows you to benefit now, and then, when your spouse claims their benefits, you can switch to the often higher spousal benefit. This way, you're optimizing the benefits you receive over your lifetime. The 6th reason is immediate need. Sometimes, you just need financial support right away. life can be unpredictable. Sometimes retirees face unexpected expenses or find their savings insufficient to maintain their desired lifestyle. Claiming early can be a solution, bridging the gap and providing the necessary funds for a comfortable living or to tackle unforeseen costs. If you're finding this information helpful and believe this content adds value, please consider subscribing to The Smart Retiree. We genuinely appreciate your support. By now, you are probably thinking that it might be a good idea to grab your Social Security benefits early, at 62. Before you decide, on the flip side, here are reasons you might want to hold off. Number 1. Maximize family benefits. If you have dependent children or a dependent spouse, delaying your benefits can be advantageous. The amount your family members receive in dependent or survivor benefits is directly tied to your benefit amount. By waiting, and thus increasing your own benefits, you're also maximizing the potential benefits your dependents can receive. 2. Are you still in the workforce? If you earn more than the $21,240 limit, as of 2023 and expected to increase in 2024, penalties might slash your benefits. If you're still in the workforce and earning a decent income, claiming Social Security early can backfire. Earnings over the limit, $21,240 for 2023, can result in reduced benefits. Essentially, for every $2 earned over the threshold, $1 is withheld from your benefits. While you might recover these deductions later, it often doesn't make financial sense to claim early if you're still raking in a paycheck. 3. Dependence on Social Security. If you heavily rely on Social Security in later years, waiting can mean larger payouts. Let's be honest, not everyone has a padded retirement fund. For many, Social Security might be the primary, if not the sole source of income during retirement. In such cases, every extra dollar counts. Waiting to claim can result in significantly larger monthly payouts, making the later years more financially stable. Number 4. Spousal considerations. If you pass away, your spouse might benefit from larger, delayed benefits. It's not just about you, it's about your loved ones too. If you have a larger Social Security benefit and your spouse is likely to outlive you, waiting can be a wise decision. When you pass, your spouse can claim survivor benefits, which would be equal to the larger delayed benefit amount you secured. 5. Roth conversions. If you're converting to a Roth IRA, claiming later can be tax efficient. Managing taxes in retirement is an art. If you're methodically converting traditional IRAs to Roth IRAs, claiming Social Security later can be tax efficient. Roth conversions can bump you into a higher tax bracket, and adding Social Security benefits might make a chunk of them taxable. Strategically delaying can save you quite a bit in taxes. Number 6. Expect a long life. If longevity runs in your family, waiting can pay off in the long run. Family history and good health might mean you have many years ahead. In that case, the cumulative benefits from waiting to claim can be substantial. Over decades, the extra funds from the delayed, larger payouts can truly add up, ensuring a comfortable lifestyle well into your golden years. Social Security is a puzzle, and each of us has unique pieces. Making the best choice requires understanding your financial and personal landscape. Navigating the complexities of when to claim Social Security is no small task. Every individual's circumstances, from health to financial standing, play a critical role in this pivotal decision. It's about balancing immediate needs with future benefits. It's also a reflection of personal priorities. Do you want to travel now or ensure a more comfortable cushion later? Whatever your decision, equip yourself with knowledge and consult professionals if needed. Remember, you've spent a lifetime working towards this. You deserve to reap the maximum benefits. Thanks again for joining us today. Please share this video if it helped clarify things for you, and let's continue our journey towards a smarter retirement together. If this video sheds some light on your Social Security decisions, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button for more insights from the Smart Retiree. We hope this video went a long way to helping you clarify some aspects of Social Security. Let's continue our journey towards a smarter retirement together. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in our next financial deep dive.